Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Miro, Mural, and Figma. We'll dive deep into their unique strengths and how they cater to different team dynamics and project requirements. You'll learn about their primary applications, from brainstorming and ideation to detailed user interface design. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which tool offers the most value for your collaborative and creative endeavors, ensuring you make an informed decision for your workflow. Miro and Mural excel as digital whiteboards, offering expansive canvases for visual collaboration. Think sticky notes, diagrams, and mind maps, perfect for facilitating workshops with up to 100 participants. Figma, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for user interface design. It allows designers to create intricate mock-ups, interactive prototypes, and design systems with pixel-perfect precision, supporting teams from initial concept to final product delivery. Collaboration is a cornerstone for all three, enabling seamless teamwork regardless of location. Miro and Mural offer robust features for synchronous brainstorming, including voting and timer functions, and integrate with over 100 applications. Figma's collaborative design environment allows for shared components and libraries, ensuring consistency across projects. Its developer handoff features streamline the transition from design to development, fostering efficient cross-functional team communication. When considering pricing, all three provide free plans, perfect for getting started. Paid subscriptions for Miro and Mural often begin around $10 per user per month, offering expanded features like private boards and advanced security. Figma's professional plans typically start at $12 per editor per month, unlocking unlimited files and team libraries. Choose Miro or Mural for dynamic whiteboarding and Figma for comprehensive, collaborative interface design.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.